Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about daylight harvesting and how it works and how you would use it with EcoFlex lighting control products. The first thing to think about with daylight harvesting is the application. The idea with daylight harvesting is that it's usually driven through an energy code requirement, and it's going to be in spaces where you have natural light coming through skylights or windows. There are large variances in the types of spaces where you might use daylight harvesting. A large open space with wide, tall windows is going to be a lot different than a small office with a window in it. So you need to pick your control type first. In an open loop, your sensor is going to be mounted in a space where it is not directly affected by the controlled light fixtures. So first thing, pick your control type. What am I going to be in a small office, or is it going to be in an alcove, lobby, large open space, something like that? For open loop, the same idea. You install your sensor and then decide how far down you want the lights to go. Now, you're not going to have a specific set point in this particular case. In the open loop application, you basically decide at what light level you're going to start dimming the lights down and at what light level you want the dimming to stop. That can be easily set up using the EcoFlex Garibaldi software. You could also use SimpleTap to set that set point for the open loop application. You're going to need a sensor with an appropriate range. Here is the TAP 31. It supports a much broader light range, up to 65,000 lux or 6,000 foot candles. So great for recording open or closed loop applications. And if you're going to be using this for an open loop application, you could mount it on a wall facing outside of a window, or you could mount it on the wall inside of a skylight area in order to capture that natural light coming through. The WDS9 is intended to be mounted on a mullion facing outside with a solar cell here, and it's got its light sensor. So it's interior mount monitoring exterior light for those open loop applications. Now you need to change the set point, whether it's a closed loop or an open loop set point. The install guides go through this in some detail, and we do have application notes on this if required. In order to change the set point in the field, you do need to access the sensor's teach button. This is covered in another video that's on our website that talks about using SimpleTap and how to change the set point for a closed loop sensor. But it's the same for open loop as well. Again, refer to the sensor's install guide for more information about setting these values. For more information on these sensors or any other EcoFlex products, please visit our website at ecoflexsolutions.com.